Hi, I'm Steve Prussack, founder of Juice Guru.
And I'm Julie Prussack, Steve's reunited high school sweetheart and partner in life and in juicing.
Juicing transformed my life. By the time I got out of college, I was overweight, out of shape, I had high blood pressure, I couldn't walk up a flight of stairs without panting, and juicing turned my life around. I remember juicing helped get the nicotine out of my body that was in my body for years.
Steve and I were high school sweethearts back in the 1980s, and we lost touch for over 20 years. And you just pour it in your cup and try that.
Cheers.
And as I approach 50, I can't believe how good I feel, and I think it's all because of juicing.
Using the Juice Guru method and what we do over here, we call someone that's turned back the clock on aging an age boss. Someone that's taken hold of their life. It's really all about the life in our moments and making the most out of every one of them. That's what we're about here at Juice Guru.
You saw this bowl of vegetables. Could you imagine ever sitting there and eating that?
Wow.
When we drink it, and it goes right into our body and feeds us on a molecular level.
You can start juicing in your 70s, you can start juicing in your 50s, you can start juicing in your 40s, and you're gonna have awesome results.
Diana, she read my first book, The Creator's Guide to Juice Fast. She's like, Steve, she gave me this picture a year ago, and she's like, it helped me change my life. Like, I dropped the weight, I feel more vibrant, and more than that, I'm inspiring my friends and family, and now they want to try this.
We offer online programs where we can show people how, step by step, to go from being overweight, tired, unhealthy, to being vibrant, lean, and super, super healthy.
All of this is why we recommend that most days your daily juice should include lots of leafy greens like kale. We also train people to become certified juice therapists in our accredited program so that they can then share the juicing message and ignite a revolution.
A juicing revolution. And it's all about building community. So there are other places that you can go to learn about juicing, but Juice Guru tries to create that whole community experience so that you don't feel alone. So if you're ready to get started juicing with us, just download our free Juicing Made Easy guide.
It's at juicingchart.com. You can click to get your free guide and get started with juicing. It has everything you need. Everything you need is in this guide. Thank you for listening to everything that we're about here at Juice Guru. We look forward to changing your life. We made it. Wow, I mean, look, this is huge.